Allow me to hold you now. Allow me to touch you right. Allow me, allow